My journey hasn't been an easy one. From a young age, I've been in addiction and been in and out of incarceration. Came to Animal Bush Healing Farm and they encouraged me to go back to school. I felt welcomed into CIT Yurauna. I felt like I wasn't judged with my story and the support that I gained. They walked beside me, helped me with my journey, with my struggles, with my achievements, really encouraged me. The skills that I've learned at CIT would have been confidence, not doubting myself. I went into that classroom with so much self-doubt. I struggled when I first went in there to do role plays. I thought, no way can I do this. But eventually I was doing my own role plays and supporting others with theirs. CIT shaped me in a big way to the point I am now able to be able to help other people on their journey of healing and to be able to work with people who have came from the same walk of life as me and to be able to use my lived experience to help and navigate them with theirs. CIT Yurauna, it's a place of healing, culture and education, and it comes together for great possibilities.